Welcome. When you're seeing this video, you know this message is meant for you for today. I apologize, my camera were not recording for some weird reason, but these are the cards that I drew from the Tarot deck, the Rider-Smith-White deck, and today's message is all about what is going to happen for you this week and what you have to look forward to and what you have to look out for. This message will come to you when it needs you the most and wants you to hear it the most. So please do not try to force it too much into your personal life, but let's have fun with it all. The first card that comes out is the Eight of Wands. The Eight of Wands deals with inner conflict, inner resolution that has to happen within yourself to find a clear path forward. You have to overcome obstacles, you have to overcome barriers that has been placed in your life for a specific reason. It's not to make you weak or to make you feel like a loser. It is supposed to make you stronger. You are supposed to come out stronger at the end of this challenge that has been placed on your path. The Five of Pentacles in reverse. The Five of Pentacles is do not fear missing out. Fear being involved in a situation that you do not want to be in. To have a fear to be in a place that you are not welcome or doesn't consider you as important as the universe sees you as being important. Do not feel that you have to please other people just so that you can be accepted and so that you can live your life accordingly to how you want it to be lived instead of how other people want you to live it. It's your life, not their life. The Three of Cups in the reverse, it's this clear message of people come and go in your life. Some stay for a weekend, some stay for a season, and some stay for life. You have to decide if this person is going to be a seasonal friend, a friend for a decade, friend for a weekend. This is everybody that comes into your life for a specific reason, and when they exit out of your life, they exit out of your life for another specific reason. We just have to believe and trust that everything will happen as it should. We are not going to force anything. We're not going to force anybody to stay in a place that they don't want to be. Exit rather than staying in a toxic environment. Choose yourself, the star. Choose you. Choose who you truly want to be. Choose who has chosen you firstly. Choose the person that has always chosen you, and that is yourself. You must trust and believe in yourself the same way that willpower within inside of you wants to be lived and wants to be experienced. Do not fear the things that you cannot change. Fear the things that you can change about your life and situation. Remember, you can only be happy if you allow yourself to be happy. Not from permission from this person or that person or from family or friends. It is from you yourself. This is why the star is in the middle. This is the main focus for your entire week. Then the Ace of Cups, once you start to realize that your happiness is what truly matters the most and what is the most important for you, then you can go forward with the idea that your cup is supposed to be overflowing before you can fill other people's cups. You cannot make other people happy if you are not happy. If you are dissatisfied with your life, you cannot help other people to be satisfied with their lives. That is not how your life is supposed to be going accordingly. The Hanged Man in the reverse is see things for exactly as they are. Put on your glasses. If you see life as the full potential rather than an empty cup that is constantly asked a request over and over to fill other people's cups, then there's nothing going to be there at the end of the day. You cannot fill other people's cups if your cup is not filled to the top yet and is overflowing. So try to see things from a different point of view rather than focusing on what life can only be one thing. Life cannot just be one thing and one thing alone. The Six of Swords. The Six of Swords is in calm waters and in wavy, waved waters. We have to remember who we are. This is the part of us that we always have to carry of us. So live your life without regrets, live your life without disappointments. Because if you are disappointed in yourself, then what else can you do? You have to find a way to satisfy yourself. You satisfy your own needs, your own wants, your own cravings of life before you can really go forward to satisfy other people. And if they are not satisfied with what you have to offer, cut them out and leave them. They don't need you and they don't want you then in their lives. They have to be happy with what you have to offer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and as always, have a wonderful and a blessed day.